Euro this week has started with a bullish momentum, where we can see that this week started with a bullish candle here. But what we can see on the Monday is that the price has returned back down, back to 1.07825, where we can see this large wick, and from there the price has bounced back up and the day has ended as a bullish candle. We can see that the price could not go above the previous week, these two candles, and the price could not close this candle above that. Just a minute, stretch this a little bit up. But the price has managed to go above these candles, which will mean that this one as a critical level is being broken, and it has been confirmed this week. The previous week we can see that this breakout was not confirmed because the second candle was returned back down, but this price candle on Monday has been a confirmation of this breakout. We can see that 1.08846, the area where the supply zone is and also where the sellers is the broken. We can see that on a Tuesday when this candle and the price has broken above. We can see this strong monthly resistance line. It is a trend line that is acting here as a confluence of resistance with these three resistance levels. We can see this small daily uptrend resistance line, this one horizontal, and also this is a monthly trend line. Then the price has started to move up and it has reached this supply zone around 1.09860. This is also a good step for the price because now the bulls have managed to push the price above next level, and now from here the price needs to find the strength for the next move to move above. We can see that on Wednesday the price has returned back down, and that is because the price has reached this supply zone where the sellers are, and also the buyers who have entered here at this retrace, they have exited here, and this has activated a sell-off of the price, so the price has returned to the first support level, and that is 1.08846. From there the price has stopped, we can see, for the next 2 days because of this strong supply zone which is in this area here. But what we can see, the price has stayed above this bullish candle, and it has not closed below that. The Friday candle, which is mostly when the buyers and also the sellers close their trades, did not activate too strong sell-off that could push the price back down, but the price stayed above this uptrend, which will now act as a resistance. Let's go to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame we can see that this week is also a bullish week. Since the price has started to rise from this area, the price has formed strong weekly candles which are bullish, and the price has closed this week above this critical level here, which is 1.086 area. Also the price has closed above 1.08846, which is also a resistance, now acting as a support level. The price has managed to go above, but we can see this strong wick that has returned back down because the price has retraced after the price reached 1.09860, which is a supply zone and where the sellers are, also where the bulls who have pushed the price from here have exited from their trades, so the price returned back down. Overall, what we can see, the price has risen to this level, then returned back down. Now it is rising again above. So let's see how this looks on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the previous month was bullish. Now we can see that the price has returned back down to this 1.07825 and then continued to move up. Now it has reached this 1.09860. So we can see that this move, what we can see in the previous month and also previous several months, is the move that is pushing the price to higher levels. So what we can see on a monthly time frame, this looks bullish, but this month has just started, so there are several weeks that we need to wait until the month ends and also confirms where is the future move of this price. For now, we can see and tell for sure that this price level 1.07825 is a monthly support level, and it will be hard for the price to break below. If it happens, that will be a strong sell-off of the market, and the market could turn into downtrend. For now it is in the uptrend, And on a monthly time frame, we can see that the next levels, what the price needs to break. First one is this one, for sure. So we need to see this April month that the price stays above 1.086, which will confirm that the bulls are still is in control of the market. And after that, we can see that that the next level is this confluence of resistance, where we can see that the price will have hard time to break above around 1.09860. Let's do this one. After that, let's see what are the next level for the price. The first one is this one. We can see this one, the price had problems before, and then the next one is 1.094. After that, if the price goes above that on a monthly time frame, the next one where the price will stop is around this area. We can see that these candles had problems in the past, going up also and down, which is 1.1, which is a round number. So for the month, if the price goes above this 1.09860 and closes as a bullish candle above that, this will mean a strong bullish mode, and we can expect the price to move to the higher levels. Now let's see for the next week what is in front of us. So for the weekly time frame, this one was before the last one critical level for the price to be broken that the price will move above. And after that, we can see in the past that the next level where the price could have a problem is 1.091. This is an area around this currently a support level, but we can see that we have a monthly trend line and also close 1.09860, a resistance level, which will be hard time for the price to break above. After the price breaks above this level, we can see that the next one where the price could have a problem is 1.1 area, which I have mentioned just on a monthly time frame. So these are the levels for the price to be broken for the next week, but we can expect that the price will continue to move up, probably stay a little bit below that, below 1.098, and then we can look for a retrace back to 1.08846, and from there try to catch the buy trade to enter and to look for higher levels. If the price doesn't manage to go above and the price returns back inside 1.08846 and 1.07825 area, this will mean that the price has stopped for a while, and from there we need to wait until the price makes a breakout to the upside or to the downside. But how the market looks like right now, I can see that the price has managed to break the critical level, and the next one where the price could go is above 1.1 area, which is the next one, which is a critical level for the price on a weekly time frame. If the price manages to go above, this will mean that the price has confirmed that this confluence of resistance, it is broken completely, and there is a free space for the price to go to 1.11, but first to 1.1 area. Let's see the daily time frame. Let's stretch this one a little bit up. We can see that the price has managed to go above. Now it has retraced to 1.08846. So the price, after touching this one, has retraced back down, finding a support for the next move to the upside. So in this current status, I can see that the market has confirmed this as a support, because the price did not fall below this area for the 3 days. So it is a pretty strong level. I will look for the next week a bullish price action signal, probably on the 4-hour time frame, to find when to enter and which will be a trigger, a signal that the price will continue to move up, further up. Let's stretch this one a little bit up so we can follow next moves. Okay. So the price will continue to move up. Let's stretch this one also. Okay, this is the one. So this is the area where the price will move in the further several days or weeks. We can see that the area 1.0989 is the next critical level, and 1.1 is the area that the price has managed to touch in the previous attempt when the price is moving to the upside. So for now, I am expecting to find this area as a confluence of support, we can see currently now, but we have a strong area of supply zone where the sellers are and they're pushing the price down. But for now I'm expecting that the price will continue to this 1.09 area, the resistance level, and from there could be also a small bounce back down to this area here and then move up. For now I'm expecting for the price to stay here and create some kind of bullish price action signal, but if the price goes below that, the next level where the price will stop is 1.085, which is in the area of this here where the price had problems, and below that we can see this is also a confluence. 1.08485 is the confluence of support for the price if the price goes down, where we can also find some kind of small area to find a price action signal for the bulls. But if the daily candle closes below that, this will mean that 1.07825 is the next support where the price will move, because this is the area that is currently open between these two support and this one as a resistance. We can see that 1.07825 is a monthly support, so it is much stronger than this one, which is a weekly, but we cannot rule out also this weekly support which is broken this week. So I'm expecting overall that the price will move to the higher levels in the following days and also weeks, because the three time frames, which is a monthly, weekly and also currently daily, is showing me that the price has found strength around this area and is pushing the price to higher levels, where 1.1 price level is a critical one, where I'm expecting that the price could find a confluence of resistance and it will reach, but then after that it will retrace back down. So this would be an exit level for me if I'm entering around this, or I am already have entered here at this area. Let's see what happens the next week. So happy trading and see you next time. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.